Hey, this is Jeeps Rock. I usually don't show a lot of excitement when I do videos, but I'm sorry. I am at the Kansas Speedway at the entrance of Pit Road, and I'm getting ready to show you something brand new. These are JPeggz, but it's different because you can see there's not any Footpeg down below. So it's their brand new offering right here. It's very nice. It protects the paint, and it's very easy to install. And you can see right here, I've already got it installed on the other side. But what I wanted to state today is what we're getting ready to show you is on the website they say good for 90 miles an hour, but we hit 100 miles an hour on the Speedway, and we'll show you that a little bit later, so stay tuned with us. Again, I might be a little loud. It's because I'm very excited, I'm very pumped up. Got a chance to get on this track, and again, we hit 100 miles an hour, and of course there's nothing wrong with these, and we had everybody looking at us because we had our rooftop tent on. We had 22 degrees of banking on the Speedway. With this kit, you're going to get this piece right here. You can see it's just this piece right here. It has a mirror that comes with it. It's very simple to install, just a bolt that comes in here. And if you need a little bit more adjustability, there's these 3 screws. Just be real careful. You can loosen these up so you can move around a little bit, but you don't want to go too far because then this piece can fall inside and then you're really not having a good day. But you can loosen these up just a little bit to give you a little bit more adjustability. We showed you a little bit here how we're doing that because we have them loose right now. And also what comes with it is this T50. Again, this all comes with it, and it comes with these well nuts, and these are pretty much the same one you put on your doors. But again, there's only needed for 1, but I hope it comes with 4 like they did with my kit. I don't know if it's just because they sent them to me this way to get them installed, but I got 4 of these, which is good to have a few extra ones. But again, this just keeps it nice and solid for you, and then you just use your T50 here and tighten it down. On the side here, it has JPeggz right here, and this is just a protective coating here on the side that allows you to slide that in without marring up your paint. I will let you know I'm using aftermarket bushings here on the inside because mine were so rusted and really bad. So it took me a little bit to line it up, and I had to kind of push a little bit more, and then once this caught here on the thread, I was okay. But just kind of keep that in mind if you're using aftermarket bushings here on the inside. It might be a little bit harder to line up, but it did work. So I just want to let you know, these are one of the first ones to market. Also, really the first ones to do just a half one. Again, there are those other aftermarket ones, I will say, like a Rugged Ridge that I used to do that you had to mount here on the side, and they would hang out too far. You'd have to adjust them all the time, and it was a pain. And even on highway speeds, mine would actually slide. You would think that if you're coming this way with the air, it would push this way, but it actually smacked and went this way. So then I cannot see anything on traffic on a highway, which is very scary. So I had no problem with these. Again, I had these up to 100 miles an hour today safely on the track. All, you know, we signed our waivers, everything was good. And again, I hope you like that little footage that we show you. But again, all you do is untighten that, and this will actually slide out, and then you're ready to put your doors back on. Again, I showed you earlier, you can actually just throw them right underneath here on the seat, and I'll show you. I don't know if we can see this or not, but I'm just gonna pretend I took this off, and I'm just gonna throw it right underneath my seat, like so. And then I can also throw it all the way to the back here. I'm not sure if we're seeing this or not, but it's easily stored in the back. So again, it comes with all the hardware you need, and it comes with 2. And this is for those that already have foot pegs and are just looking for a mirror, or if you're looking for a mirror that can go with 100 miles an hour, we can actually, hopefully they'll update their website, because we've actually tested that and it was successful. So thanks again for watching Jeeps Rock, and we'll see you out on the trail. Or maybe next time we'll see you on the Speedway.